Do not disturb upon outage restoration feature demonstration. The Do Not Disturb Upon Outage Restoration feature prevents lights from being automatically turned on when the power is restored after an outage. If this feature is enabled, users will not be disturbed after the power is recovered. Users must switch between the off and on states twice within 5 seconds before they can turn on the light. Example: enable Do Not Disturb Upon Outage Restoration feature and use the app to turn off the light. If the power is cut off and then restored, the light will be in the off state. If users want to turn on the light, just switch between the on and off states twice within 5 seconds.